Perfect breakfast, tea, stew, and egg. So we have butter. I'm gonna put just a tiny little beanie butter. Look at the pot I'm using, guys. This little tiny big pot is not cute. Is it not cute? Cute. This is the 2 eggs, guys. 2 eggs. You can skip this if you don't change the color of the egg. So on the bottom, don't need to put salt. So I put it this way and in my hand. Now just do this. If you're praying, that's the way you spread the salt. So cover the little pot. Pick this up. Stew goes in there. So we're gonna put that old stew here. See? So I'm gonna cover it. My breakfast. Put it here. Ready. Enjoy. There's already salt in the egg, in the butter. Don't need to put salt. So I put it. I just cover the little pot. Okay. Here you go. See? Slide. Look at it. Look. Isn't it not beautiful? Just slide it on the bread. Ah, perfect. Just put this on top of it. And voila. Egg sandwich. Yes, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Enjoy. Yes. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast. Enjoy.